everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you could see from the title that today I am going to Delhi as I have taken transfer to Delhi. So it's been exactly a year that I came to Chennai. Last year, March 7th, I came to Chennai and today is March 6th and it's been a year here. So it was a year full of challenges, surprises, a lot of learnings. And yes, this is my last time that I'm going through this road. I always used to go for my flights taking the same path, and it kind of feels, it feels different as I do not get attached to a place except for my hometown. But yes, living here for such a long period, and obviously everybody's scared of changes. I am as well. But yes, life has to go on. You have to grow. So yeah, now I'm going to Delhi. Keeping all those memories in my heart, like whatever memories I've made in Chennai. I had some good days as well, some bad days. So it was a year that came with a lot of lessons. So I'm going to Delhi now. I'm going to start something new from there. Obviously flying will be there, I will be going to work, but oh my god, but also I wanted to explore more. That is the main reason why I took transfer. So from now onwards all my vlogs are going to come from Delhi. I am very excited to I'm looking forward to this new journey of mine. So let's see where life takes me. How will my life be there? I will definitely keep you guys updated. I will definitely upload vlogs whenever I get time. So stay tuned and please keep supporting me. So yeah, let's go to Delhi now. Bye-bye.
फ्लाइट बहुत हाँ फ्लाइट बहुत
तो आप थोड़ा चेक करके मैडम
Right now I am at my friend's place because currently I don't have a home at Delhi, so I'm homeless. So I have to take a help and I'll be staying here for a few days. Then I'll shift to my another friend's place where I have to start looking for a new house for myself and Selena. So yes, it's very hot. It's very hot in Delhi now, right now, and I'm sweating because I just have to, bring all my luggage like through stairs to the room, and it was quite a tough job. Really, being independent is hard sometimes. Fortunately, when it was a turn for my last bag, which is the most heaviest one, very good gentleman, he was there and he offered me a help. So sweet of him. But rest of the luggage I had to like go down, come back, go down, come back. That's why I'm a bit tired as of now. So yeah, I've reached Delhi and tomorrow I have a day off, and from day after tomorrow I will resume my flights. So let's see how it goes from here. Flying was like very good from Chennai, but yeah, like it doesn't only matter in one thing, like whether you should stay or not. So yeah, flying was good, but there were a lot of things that was not really good. That is why I decided to leave Chennai. But now I just hope like everything goes well along with the flying. Yes, not just flying, I want everything to go well. because I don't know like for how many years or for how many months I'll be staying here, because we never know what life has planned for us ahead. So I've came to Delhi with very good motive. I want to explore, as I've already told you guys. So I hope I could make the best of this time. And yes, I'm waiting for Sayukta to come back. I am really excited to meet her. It's been almost 2 months that we have kind of, parted ways. Like, she took transfer to Delhi and I was still in Chennai, and I've not met her since then. So yeah, I'm waiting for her. I'll take some shower now. I'll wash my face. I look like, I don't think I'm looking good right now. So yeah, let's go and freshen up. I'll see you guys. Bye. Hi Saita, welcome back to my channel. Pura miss bhairakhyo timi mero vlog ma. Let's go. Where are we going?
We're still but I'm thinking कि आज मैं मत खिलाऊँ मस्त मस्त चिकन कबाब.
Chicken kebab. Oh yes, let's go. Keep on. What were you telling
अब
Saita?
आप लोग मुझे बताओ. Monica was telling me she wants to have coconut water, okay, and this is for 60 rupees. और बाहर भी मिलता है वो भी 60 rupees का fresh है. So you tell me which one should she have? वो
This
वाला
is
ना,
classy.
ये भी 60,
That
वो
is
भी
massy.
60. पैसा वेस्ट करती है मोनिका बहुत ज़्यादा.
वही तो Saita. When will we be billionaire?
Naturally या सामान खिलाऊंगी. मामा खाने के लाना पोएगा ना. आधे टाइम तो मैं हंसती रहती हूँ ब्लॉग में. और कस्तो लाग्यो? मलाई मिठो लाग्यो. मलाई नि सरोजनीको मोमो पुरा मिठो लाग्छ त. मोमो खान्छु बेटा. सरोजनी मलाई चिकन चाहिँ क्या मिठो पाउँदैन. तिमीसँग सरोजनी गएको थिएन सर? नमस्कार.
Having dinner after so long. Happy eating. Bye. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching and keep watching. We will have so many
Fun.
we will have so much of fun and we'll have so much of content now for you.
Yes. Bye bye.